How to find all accounts linked to my email address. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can easily find all of your accounts that is linked to your Gmail or your email. So the first thing you have to do is head over to Google Chrome, click on the account icon, and then head over to manage your Google account. Once you do that, you'll head over to Google Account Manager. All you need to do is find data and privacy on the left side of your screen. Click on it. And then here you'll be able to see all of your data. Scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you'll find something called apps and services. And right below that, you have third-party apps and services. Click on it. Now you can keep track of your connections. So as you can see, my account is connected to a total of 139 apps, and it's sorted by according to the alphabetical order. So what you can do is search for certain names. So let's say if I just search for Instagram, it's added here. If I just search for any other thing, something like Xbox, it's not connected here. So you can search for anything that is connected to your account. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you want, you could also filter by signing in with Google, access to other apps from here, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.